Alrighty, so as you can see here, this lens requires quite a bit of cleaning. Alright, so I purchased this lens cleaning kit from Lazada, and I hope that this can do the job. Full disclosure, I actually cleaned one of the lenses, and this is good. So the package comes as in like this kind of a oval shaped capsule with a zipper. So the zip can be opened, and inside we are being pleased with this tiny bit of mini blower. This blower is just so cute. One thing good about this blower is this part is actually made of rubber, so it does not affect the lens element as such by poking on it. Alright, this one. Then we have this microfiber cloth covered with plastic. We have multiple microfiber cloth. Actually, since I have already opened one, I can show you right away that this is how it looks. I'm not sure the texture of this microfiber cloth is actually captured very well in the camera, but I'm pretty sure that it's made of some kind of a material like silk, probably nylon, most likely nylon. I thought that microfiber cloth will be something like this one, right? But no, actually it's not. Or this one would be considered a microfiber cloth, but actually this again is a nylon cloth. Alright, so this one is inside this blue package saying that it's a microfiber cleaning cloth. The sweet part of it is actually it comes with multiple of these. A lot of these are inside this package. On top of that, they do have like a bunch of wet wipes. So this is one of the lens cleaning solution that comes with this package. This performs okay, I guess. Why? Because when I try to poke a hole and try to get the solution out, the solution was actually not coming, as we can see here. I believe this is dried up or something. I would probably have to analyze what's in this one before I make any decision, any further comments on this lens solution. But also it comes with the operation manual, right? I'm glad that this comes with an operation manual. Many people like me doesn't know how to actually clean a lens properly, so they give the step-by-step instruction. Likewise, put the anti-static gloves first. Okay, I do not own an anti-static glove. I'm pretty sure I don't have it anywhere in my house, but what I did was I actually took up the blower, blew on the surface of the lens, then cleaned it like this, shown in the picture. I just followed the pictures. That pretty much helped actually. So let me go through each and every one of them. And again, the best part I feel that's worth for the money is actually having so many wet wipes, right? Yeah, that's sweet. Now, going back to this, it also comes with this brush. I've never seen a brush with this kind of rubber cap before, but I'm glad that it comes with a rubber cap so that this brush part can be kept covered. And as we can see that the brush can be pushed out with this lever thingy. Although this lever is really useful in bringing up the longest part of the brush, I do wish that there could be another groove, another step over here where it can be stopped right here, so that it's more convenient to clean the grooves, the tiny grooves like these, like this, right? It's more convenient to stop it midway. But no, this one is kind of a regular one, which does not have the groove. And behind this, we have something like, how to say, like a sticker. Like you can just stick on the lens element and then pick up the dust. Like I'll show you here. So this lens front element is pretty badly beaten up, and it's actually pretty much covered with my fingerprint, etc. So if there is any dust, you just do this, like poke it. So all the dust can be collected on top of this. Later you just wipe it off, right? This does a really good job on that. But I've never used this on my previous brushes. This part was always kept inside like this. Not necessarily a useful thing to do, but yeah, if you are able to use it, then it's fine. Okay, one more note. It's hardly like 10 minutes since I opened this wet wipe. It's pretty much dried up. So once you open the wet wipes, it is recommended to use it immediately. To clean this lens and to show you how I am going to clean this lens using this new kit, I'm actually going to open another wet wipe. One more thing to note here is this wet wipe is actually alcohol free. Alright, so use sage, use air blower, blow off the dust, use the fingerprint, etc. It's pretty much given at this point that we all know how to do. Right, so this is the wet wipe, comes like this. To be safe, I just take this wet wipe and just drag it around like this. So I just change the focusing mode to area so that it focuses just on the lens. Once this cleaning part is done, we can see that these fingerprints are slowly going away. But there are some residual stains from this wet wipe. So I would say these stains will be taken care of the microfiber cloth that's provided. I use these edgy corners to clean off these fingerprints and smudges from earlier, from all of my uses. Probably I spit on this lens a couple of times because it's unbelievably bad in focusing. But yeah, that's another story for another day. Nonetheless, this lens is actually pretty good in weather sealing. Right, I got it second-hand from a second-hand store at a very good price, very good deal, very cheap indeed. Okay, I can see that 90% of the fingerprints are gone. Just rolling my hand over this like this, right, just by doing this, most of the fingerprints are gone, and even the residue is very minimal. One thing to note about this wet wipe is actually it is not too wet, but it does come off very easily. Like we can see a lot of bits coming off like this, right? So those residues still stick on the front lens element. Now I'm going to keep this this part aside. So I saw this guy do this, right? When I was in the lens store earlier, the guy who was cleaning my lens was actually using this method. This way you don't slip on the lens front element while you're cleaning. Now to remove the residues, I am using the microfiber cloth to just gently wipe on it to remove all the residual gunk in there. Now it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to do the same for the peripherals. Likewise, I'm just gonna rub the wet wipe on top, making it look beautiful. One more thing I noticed, whether it's picking up on the camera or not, there's still some amount of the rainbow thingy going on here. I'm just gonna run this through, and again, it's not like a one-stop thing. It's never a one-stop thing. It keeps happening every once in a while. It requires constant maintenance, as we can see here. Okay, now the next part is the exterior. It's very dusty. Since I have this wet wipe, I'm gonna rub this part through here slowly, and it's very dusty. Yeah, so I'm just pressing it so that I remove the gunk over here, the underneath of this ridge. Right, so once that is done, wet wipes are always really useful. I don't know why most lens cleaning kit doesn't come with these kind of wet wipes. So it's pointless cleaning between these ridges or the grooves on the manual focus ring. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to clean the back side of this lens. This is again a critical thing to do before this wet wipe runs off the wetness. Right, so still it is there. I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm running it through. And running it inside as well on the metal. Yeah, now that is done. I'm gonna keep that aside and I'm going to do the same thing here. So one more thing to note when it comes to the rear element is we are going to blow it right after we have done it, so that excess stuff, excess dust that is stuck on the rear element comes off, and we immediately, ideally we should close it, but here I'm doing it one more time on the lens cap, rear lens cap, so that the dust that is being accumulated on the rear lens cap doesn't stick on it. So let's finish it off. Right, okay, this is done. Now the last part is actually the front lens cap. For this I'm actually going to brush it off first at this level, so halfway through, and then brush it off very thoroughly. I'm brushing it off on the sides, on the front, pretty much everywhere. Right, once this part is dusted off, actually I'm able to see that there are some gunk inside here. Right, I don't like them, so I'm going to take this part, just put it in and remove whatever is there between all the parts over here. It's pretty deep. I think I need to probably wash this off. Yeah, it's pretty deep. Definitely deep. So in that case, I'm pretty comfortable closing it off right away, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a lot of time to remove it first. Secondly, they are not going to fall off on the lens element that easily. So yeah, it's good to go. So we have cleaned the lens using the new lens kit we have purchased just now. It hardly costs any money, and spending like 5 minutes on cleaning the lens is really worth it. Trust me.